We'll guide you through how to turn off screen time without knowing the passcode. If you find this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. Now, forgetting your screen time passcode can be super frustrating, especially when you just want to turn it off. Let me walk you through what to do. First, open your settings app. Scroll down and tap on screen time. Scroll to the bottom and tap turn off app and website activity. At this point, it asks for your screen time passcode, which of course we don't have. So go ahead and press cancel. Now scroll up and tap change screen time passcode. Tap it again when the option appears, and now you'll see forgot passcode. Tap on that. You'll be prompted to enter the Apple ID you used to set up screen time. Go ahead and enter your Apple ID and password to reset the passcode. Once that's done, you can go back and tap turn off app and website activity again. Now enter your newly reset passcode and you'll see a message that says screen time will no longer be reported and all limits and downtime settings will be turned off. Just tap turn off to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully turned off screen time even without knowing the old passcode. If this guide helped, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching.